Let's talk about audio tape made by Audio Devices. Audiotape was one of the first brands that were available along with Scotch and was actually very popular in studio production early on. The tape had excellent quality early on and was available in both acetate and polyester versions. The Formula 10 or standard versions are available like this. Very high quality tape. I recommend using it if you can find some. They also brought out low noise tapes similar to Scotch at the time. At some time in around 1969, they were purchased by Capitol Records. There was a trend at the time in the United States that a lot of the tape manufacturers were purchased by record companies because record companies felt that they needed to make their own tape to be competitive. So RCA Records bought Sarke's Tarzan, Columbia Records bought Reeves Soundcraft, and Capitol Records bought Audio Devices. Very, very good tapes in general. Later on, they were renamed or rebranded under Capitol II, and they actually have very similar formulas to the Audiotape formulas. They really had their high-performance tape, which is really their standard tape formula, and then their low-noise tape formulas. They also brought out something called the music tape, which was a high-output tape to compete with Ampex and the Scotch 207 with back coating. These tapes still play well today, but they were not known then as being very good compared to the others. And as a result, they were never really competitive. And Capitol went out of the tape manufacturing business. Kind of sad in a way. It's kind of like being mismanaged by your new owners. But that's what happened to the company. They started strong very early on and kind of petered out. One thing that is interesting is they had a patent granted in 1963 for their C-slot reel, which allows you to slot their tape in real easy to make that easy. They're kind of nice to use, but that kind of didn't last very long. So Audiotape is a good company. If you find those tapes, you can use them and they perform well today.